So, hey guys, it's Unicorn Rock, and as you guys know, I do live in Anchorage, Alaska. So I have my little brother here. So I don't have internet. We were hit by a 7.2 earthquake at 8:29 in the morning. It was so huge. There's fires happening around Anchorage, and my internet's out. So yeah, I'm filming this. It was actually really scary. My bus almost flipped over. Uh, Everything's a mess. Just want to tell you guys that I'm okay. Anchorage was the epicenter. Please stop. Sorry if he's distracting. But I am okay, guys. So do expect more videos. My house isn't that bad. There was a tsunami warning because there was a tsunami. There was a tsunami warning. Our house was on the bluff. So that's kind of scary. But thanks guys for listening. I'm okay, and see ya.